Hello everyone, welcome to our first product review. In our today's video, we're going to be looking at the Apple MacBook Pro, the one that has the M1 chip. We know that there have been a lot of other MacBook Pro that came with, or Apple product that came with the recent silicon chip, which is the M1 chip. However, since they introduced the M1 chip, they have released a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Mac Mini, iMac, just a lot of other products. Recently, they launched a new MacBook Pro, but also they launched the Mac Studio, which is going to replace the Mac Mini. But in today's video, I'm just going to unbox this MacBook Pro. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment. I'll be able to answer all your questions in the comment section. So what I have here, like I said, it's the MacBook Pro. We got it from Apple, the Apple reseller. So what we have is just a nice, it comes in a nice white box there with all the details about the PC. So when you look at the back, you can see that what we have here, it's the Mac with the 8GB memory, unified memory. Remember that the M1 chip incorporates the CPU, the GPU, and the RAM into one chip. So what we have here, it's the 8GB version, and also the SSD size is 256 SSD. We'll be making a lot of videos reviewing this product, but just to give you the nice short spec there. So what we know about the 8GB unified memory is that it's an 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU. Like we said, it's integrated. The side screen is 13.3 inch, and then it's a retina display. So we'll be talking about everything regarding the specs, but this one is the one that has the touch bar. And then, as we know, that it does not come with a lot of things. So let's just quickly pop up the box and open and see what do we have in there. So now when you open this box, it's a bit tighter. You need to be a bit gentle with it. I've tried to open it before setting up the camera, but then it was just a bit difficult. So what you see here in the box is just the box. It's empty. There's no cover in there, but we're not really interested in the cover anyway. We're interested in the product. So what we have in here now, we have our MacBook Pro 13-inch, like I said. So let me try to handle it nice and not drop it. Okay, so as you can see, we have our nice 13-inch MacBook Pro. As expected, it does not have a lot of ports. Remember, that's one of the issues that you see there with the new Apple product. It does not have a lot of ports in there, but you can just get I will leave a link to Amazon product that you can buy to extend. It only comes with two Type-C USB port that you see there. Thunderbolt port, you can use it for high-speed connection and charging. And then there's that 3.5mm headphone jack there, right? So that is what we have there. Let's see. Then manual, as expected, everything starts with the manual. It's just the manual of the PC and everything. There isn't much there. I don't see the Apple stickers. I was expecting to see the Apple stickers in there. Well, it's not there. It's not much of a big deal. Then we have the charging adapter. Some people, they call it a brick, but it's just an adapter. As you can see how it connects there. So here you can connect the high-speed Type-C, which is included here in the box, right? Let me try to get it. So this is the Type-C high-speed connection, and that's just about it. There's nothing really that is being hidden in there. So underneath there is nothing. So let's get all these other things out of the way. We're gonna need the manual later. We've been using the PC for a while now, so we know what to expect. Okay, so now I'm opening it for the first time, and then you see it's making that nice Apple noise there, that Apple sound. And then now we are about to set up the PC. So as you can see, like I said, it has the the touch bar there. It has a fingerprint reader. You can set it up using the fingerprint reader. Normal, nice. It's welcoming me nicely there. So now, as you can see, it's asking me different things in different languages. So I'm just going to set it up there, because and set it up to English. Remember, we use English, but I always change it to English UK, because I want my Z to remain as Z. I don't want it to change my Z to S. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly set it up and then continue with the video. Now I'll just fill in the details. Okay, right, we are done setting up the PC now. I just need to do some few setups like verifying things, and then from now on I'll be doing more and more videos on how the PC is treating me and how I'm using the PC to make and edit videos. The main purpose of getting this MacBook Pro was so that I can easily do video editing, which is what was a bottleneck. That's why we didn't really grow the channel much previously. So now that we have this computing power, we expect it to help us to be able to quickly edit videos, edit some pictures, and also to do live streaming, because we do a lot of live streaming for the kind of work that I'm doing. I do a lot of live streaming, but at the moment I just expect the PC to continue to treat us very well. I'll be doing a lot of testing there. I see already there's iMovie, of which it's a program that I'll be using a lot in this channel, but also I'll be installing Final Cut Pro, because I believe that Final Cut Pro is a better program for editing, for video editing. Then I will see if I should consider adding Adobe After Effects, all the Adobe programs for video editing. But just for today, I'm going to leave it here. I haven't really done a lot of tests, so I can't give you a review in terms of how it performs, but I'll keep on recording these videos and then uploading them on YouTube. Like I said, if you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing. This is just mostly, I'm based in South Africa, so it's going to be being reviewed by someone based in South Africa, sharing the experiences and challenges on getting a MacBook in the country. I experienced a couple of challenges. For example, this is an 8 gigabyte. When you want to buy the 16 gigabyte RAM, then there you are going to pay a lot of money. And then if you want that 16 gigabyte RAM to be 512 gigabyte SSD storage, then it costs even more. Then you start to consider other PCs, if you should just consider getting a Windows PC. But for today, I'm just gonna wrap it up here, and then I'll be making more and more videos as I test the product. I will see you in the next video.